Micro needing for my face, you guys, and I need it because I'm about to hit that big 4-0. So this is my second round getting it, and I'm gonna put a little twist on this one. I'll let you guys know later on in the middle of the video what I'm actually gonna put on after the facial that's gonna make me look 10 years younger. Now look at my skin. No ring light, no nothing, no filter. This is natural light. You see those wrinkles right there? You see the dark marks right there? You see the little creases right there? You see the dark patch right here? And the sun damage up here. You see it right there? Sun damage right there. We'll see what it's gonna do. So come with me to Face of Jules. She's rated like 5 stars, celebrity status. She is the business. She is hard to book, and I had to pay before I even get it. So this is legit, y'all. So come with me. Hey guys, I'm back. As you can see from the title, wow, I haven't done my hair in like 3 weeks. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I got this from Forever 21. Yes, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I'm so excited. I'm getting this facial finally. Hope you guys enjoyed my car. I love this car. It's white on white. Let me know if you guys like my new shades. If so, I can do what, try on haul? I finally arrived out here after passing like this big old fire. It was just crazy. I had to post it on my Instagram. It's like crazy. The weirdest thing, they only have 2 parking spaces. So if you go to like the number facial place in LA called Face of Jules, they have 2 parking spaces. So they're gonna call me once the last person leaves. I'm down the street close to like the Netflix building. So I'll just be waiting for them to let me know that I can park in their facility, and I'm bringing y'all with me, okay? So can't wait to get this facial. Yes. So the numbing cream is on, you guys. She's actually gonna go way up to my hairline too, and that's gonna be amazing because I really need it like way up there too. So that's gonna be a good thing. Numbing cream, yes, yes, yes. All right, y'all, there it is. I just got it done. Took 20 minutes. It was a little painful around the forehead area, but other than that, wasn't too bad. My face feels so tight. All right, she's getting everything ready. We're going to be doing this LED light, and they're going to put a mask on me, and that would help for bacteria and everything, and for my skin to heal faster and prevent breakout. All right, all done. Got my baggie, and she did it, and I recommend her. And I won't look crazy like this for long, you guys, but it is tight. I can't even smile. Like, this is no joke. All right, just want to show you what my skin looks like in the daylight. Right after, there you go. It's time to hit the Tesla, white on white, and head to Cafe Gratitude. Oh, okay. Yeah. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, what it looks like in the daylight, just a little bit better, close up. See how she did my neck too. My hair looks good, y'all, doesn't it? So if you guys have any other questions that you can think of, leave it in the comments down below. I just really wanted to share with you guys this experience, going in detail. And if you look further in the video, you're going to see day 2, day 3, and day 7 of my skin. Okay, I think you guys got enough of how it looks close up. It's time to go to Cafe Gratitude. Gotta get my favorite dish, you guys. Cafe Gratitude. Yes, it's a really great vegan restaurant in Largemont. So good. It's my fave. A little bit of quinoa, avocado, and kale. So now we're driving through West Hollywood, and look at that sunset, y'all. Day 2. Yes, I look kind of creepy. That is not a severe scar or anything. It's just they got to leave the blood in the serum that they did when they did the microneedling. And when she did the microneedling, she said she could adjust the needle in different areas of my face. She went really, really close to my eyes too. So this is day 2, you guys. Just want to show you. I can't wash it or anything. And I can't take a shower. I can't be around steam. I can't exercise for 2 or 3 days. I just got to let it sit on there. So it's time to put my secret ingredient thing that's the color of red. Don't from here on out. No, I'm playing. Anyway, apply this on my face. So let's get to it. I'm only going to apply this in certain areas where I have more severe wrinkle. Now, this is my son's placenta, not mixed with anything, you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to splot it in a couple areas. And I'm just going to let it sit on there.
The center is worth a lot of money to these hospitals. Let me give you a real example. My grandfather is a vet. He's having issues with his leg. He has to pay $4,000 a stem treatment. And that is when they take the stem cells from a placenta or from the umbilical cord and they inject very, very, very small amounts of that into his leg. It's a weird process. But he pays $4,000 per session for that. Think about how much they are making from just that little bit of stem cell. They have taken a whole placenta.
Now, the microneedling, you guys, cost me $463. You can get it for probably a lower price at some other places. This has no smell, you guys, when I put it on my face. It has no smell, doesn't stink, nothing like that. It's been kept in the freezer. Enough of me, more of this guy.
Out of your body, charge you for the services of the hospital, and then probably gonna make another $20,000 to $30,000 off of the placenta, the stem cell, and all of that. And then they shoot your baby medicine, and just kind of tell your kid to wing it. And don't get me started on baby formula. Like, it's ridiculous. It's all a scam. Do hospitals help people? Of course, they delivered many of babies. I'm just saying, beware. Be conscious. Know what you want to do. Get with a hospital beforehand and let them know you taking that placenta and that baby home. And, do as you please.
Guys, so this is now officially day 3. As you see, I look kind of tired. I was up pretty late, but it's healed a lot. It is time to wash this stem cell, microneedling, the whole thing off the face, day 3. And my son's placenta that's on there. So just want to show you guys close up. I usually don't do this type of videos and let you see me look like this, but we are going to wash it. And they did package this cleanser. They recommend to using a cleanser with no vitamin C, no alcohol. So what they told me to wash it with, and put some aloe vera on there. So I'm gonna apply that. They told me to use this for a week at least, so it won't irritate the skin. This aloe vera. gonna put the
This
before
is,
there
so you
natural
guys
light.
can see the difference before I even got it.
And
because
you see the dark ones right there? You see the little creases right there? You see the dark patch right here? And the sun damage up here. You see it right there? Sun damage right there. We'll see what it's gonna do. Day 7. Day 7, y'all. It's my skin. I don't know. I'm feeling some type of way. I'm getting like mixed feelings. So if you guys thought it was worth it for me and worth the price, or if you have tried it and got great results, I want to hear from you. Leave the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. And I don't know, I want to talk about the facial, the microneedling, but in a way I don't. Like, pictures and videos say it all. So I want to give it a 65% thumbs up. Not 100, because it was very expensive and it did take quite a bit for my skin to like bring back the new collagen and to kick back new fresh skin. Like, I was looking a little busted for a couple days. And who wants to be looking like that? For some reason, I think it like did something under my eye. It was like under my eye was like kind of bruised looking. If you guys agree with me, leave some kind of comment down below. I definitely will get it again. I think I will, but probably another year or two, because I did wait a year for the second one. But next one I'm gonna get is this pill, y'all. It's like a straight mask release. Like, you can see a whole nother, like, it's like you're wearing a mask. Like, it's just peeling off. I want to give that one a shot. But not from the same place. From a different place. From one of my homegirls that's really, 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 really good. So I'm going to give that a shot. And, I mean, some of my lines did kind of go away, but I do see some of them. And I am wearing a little bit of makeup. I just got done shooting the video. So I'm gonna have to try Botox, y'all, because I want like that plastic looking face, you know. If y'all think I'm doing too much and this video was doing too much, I want to hear what you got to say. So leave that down below. And y'all know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button. Yeah. I'm definitely going to start doing different types of videos for you. It's not only about your hair this time. I'm going to do videos about your skin, what to eat, what's helping me with my thinking process, how I'm not like losing my keys no more, forgetting things. I don't even have to write notes no more. Like, I'm getting my mind back on point. I'm getting my energy back. I'm getting motivation back, depression, getting out of all of that, and what I'm doing to help improve that. That will be like in a couple more videos coming soon. So stay tuned to that, because you guys don't want to miss it, because the tips I'm going to give you is like, it can save some people's lives. Like, some of the stuff in the ingredients, it's amazing. Like, it helps diabetes, cancer. It's just crazy. Anyway, enough said. I've said way too much. Again, I really appreciate you guys staying true to me, watching my channel. I really enjoy doing this. I do. I get a high from this. So I just shooting for the stars, y'all.